Get into the 2023 Hyundai Kona Electric. Make every drive feel nimble and smart when you're behind the wheel of this sophisticated Kona Electric. Tech-savvy connectivity, cabin comfort, sophisticated styling, and instant smooth acceleration are just some of the features this super-efficient subcompact SUV delivers. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, power driver seat, alarm. Don't miss the chance to rev up your commute in this fun and versatile Kona Electric. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.